Today I have came with new and simple Arabic Mehndi designs. Today I have thought to share with you Arabic designs because I like these designs too much, so that's why I have thought to share with you. These all designs are unique and gorgeous and beautiful and easy to make. And this design is too much beautiful. Oh, this is the flower designs with leaf, and this is the full Arabic design with fingers. Oh, nice. This is too much beautiful. Also a flower design, full arms. I hope you are liking my video. If you are liking my video, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and